Okay, so this is one of the bins of sweet potatoes that I'm gonna harvest today. It's really heavy too. As you can see, it's still pretty green. I know I saw some videos to where they say you can start, or you will know that it's ready when they start popping out at the top. So I don't have any coming from the top. And then they say another sign is when the stems at the bottom, not the stems, the bottom of the vine turns yellow. But mine hasn't done that either. You will see when I pull it or untangle it. But yeah, I planted these April 28th. So it's been almost 4 months. So I don't know if I'm gonna do the other one, and I'll show y'all the other one in a minute. And the other one is a kind of a bigger bin, and it looks more healthier than this one, so I don't know. So we gonna see. Okay, so this is the other bin of sweet potatoes. So as you can see, it has a lot more foliage on it. And it's so green still, but some of the leaves are turning this weird purplish color, so I don't know. So I still don't have any potatoes, sweet potatoes coming from the top. So I don't know if I should wait but like I said, I planted this on April 28th, and it is August 25th, so I don't know. First,
okay.
You cool? Okay. So first, I'm gonna show y'all how long it actually did get. I actually store-bought these slips. I think, yeah, I put 3 in each bin. So as I was saying, the ends aren't really brown. I mean, some of the leaves are brown, and to be honest, I can't wait. So we doing this. First, I'm gonna start off by cutting the vines. To make it easier to get to. I'm gonna use my little, is this a hoe? I'm gonna use this to kind of break the dirt up. And I got this for $3 from Dirt Cheap. If y'all got a Dirt Cheap where y'all from, comment down below so we can kiki for like 2 comments to say how great Dirt Cheap is. If you know, you know. But okay, so I'm gonna break the dirt up a little bit and try not to, it's a sweet potato came out. And I was just about to say not do it too hard just in case. I know people say be gentle and find the ball of sweet potatoes, but okay, wait. Let me grab my bucket. I'm gonna throw it on the side, and then I'll show y'all at the end, of course. What if that was the only one? Okay.
I doubt it.
I feel another one. Let me get up for this. Just gonna get some of this dirt out. And this bin was really heavy, so there's probably a few in here. I just wonder how big are they. Oh, okay. So I can let the other ones go longer. But we got some babies. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Okay, I'm just leave it on for now. Do anybody be scared of what they might find in the soil? Because I do. Okay. I feel one. It feels kind of big. Oh. Okay. So yeah, I guess I can leave the other ones in a little longer. And then I'll do a separate video on that one. just so we can compare the two, I guess, of would it have made a difference just to leave it in there longer, or are they small because this is a tote? So we'll see. What if this hit? What if it was heavy because of the soil? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sweet potatoes, and I am including the baby sweet potatoes. So yeah, like I said, and like I showed y'all too earlier, I got another tote of sweet potatoes, so we gonna see. I'm gonna leave those in a little longer, and I probably just kind of wait till they die off a little bit. So it's still pretty hot here. I'm in zone 7B, so technically it's still summertime for us, so I'm gonna just leave them in a little longer. But I'm still happy from what I got. Like, I actually still grew, you know, some sweet potatoes, so I'm thankful for the little I did get. And I still got a whole nother bin over there, so all is not lost. So yeah, I'm out of here, y'all. So it's been about, I think, 3 weeks now since I did the first sweet potatoes that I showed y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab these out. I'm just curious, and I might as well. And too, these vines haven't grown at all, basically, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get them out of here. So I'm gonna cut all the vines out first. Then I'm gonna just feel around for them. Okay. I see already I got more than I did in the first batch. They're small, but they're good. I know sometimes people say if you haven't cut the vines off, you can throw this back in the soil and let them grow a little longer. But I'm gonna just go ahead and get them. I'm gonna pull these out first and then dig around. And then too, the first 4 I showed y'all, or 3, how many I had left them on the patio, and we just got a new dog, so she ate all of them. So I guess that was a good sign that they were good, but see if we got any more. I feel some. I think that might be it for real. Yeah. A potato. This was the soil I used for the potatoes that I had harvested earlier in the summer. But yep, that's it. I think this is a pretty good harvest. So I think if I would have left them in a little longer, I probably could have got a few more, but I'm happy.